Okay, so now we're on lesson 3, decimals in expanded form. So let's have a go at this one, shall we? Represent the expression as a decimal. Important to note here. Whoops, as a decimal number. So what have we got first of all? We have 4 times by 1,000. Well, this is equal to 4,000. Okay, and then we've got plus 3 times 100. So we've got 3 times 100. Well, this is equal to 300. And now we have 6 times 1 over 10. All right, well, this is not difficult. All right, this is just convert it. We know that 1 divided by 10 is equal to 0.1. Okay, and now we're saying times by 6. So we're saying times by 6. Well, this means 6 times this. So we can put it down here. And we now know 6 times 1 is 6. Put the decimal there. 6 times 0 is 0. So we now know that it's then 0.6. Okay, and we can bring that over and we can say then 6 times by decimal 0.1 is equal to 0.6. Let's add the decimals here. And then we can 0 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. Bring down 0 and we've got 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. We've got 0 plus 0 is 0. And we've got 0 plus 3 is 3. And then 4 plus nothing is then 4. So let's check. 4,000 plus 300 is 4,300 plus then 6 times 1/10. So we should have here 4,300 decimal 6. So 4,300 decimal 6. And it represents the expression as a decimal number. There we go. Which expression is the same as 2 hundredths, 6 tenths, and 804 thousandths? Well, let's just start off here. Well, so we have 2 hundredths, it's saying, and 6 tenths. That's what the English is saying. And then it's saying 804 of 1,000. So 1 divided by 1,000 is then 1,000ths. Okay, well, let's complete the simple bit first. Which expression is the same? So we got 2 times 100. Well, this one's correct. 6 times 10. So we can rewrite this, right? 2 times 100. Let's place it in brackets to keep it away from the others. Plus 6, let's put this in brackets as well, times by 10. And now we've got 804 times by. So plus, we've got 804 times by 1 over 1,000. And let's put brackets around this as well. And let's see whether we get anything like this. So 2 times 100, we got that there. 6 times 10, we got that one there. 8 times over 10. Well, we got 804 thousandths, right? 804 thousandths. Well, a thousandth is then here. So this is tens, this is 100ths, and this is 1,000ths. So it's 804 times by this here, right? Well, we now know that that's obviously going to put if we times that by 10, it's going to put a 1 here, right? If we times that by 10, it's going to put 1 here. So it's going to put an 8. So it's going to be 8 tenths, first of all. And then it's not going to be 4 times, well, it's not going to be 4 times 1,000ths. We know it's going to be 4 times 100ths, right? Sorry, it's going to be 804. Okay, so this is then the tens, this is the hundredths, and this is the thousandths. Okay, so 8 times 10th plus 4 times 1,000th. This is the correct one here. Otherwise, this would be then 84 here. We want 804. Okay, and so we just check this last one. This one is not it, A. And the difference here is 8 times 100. This one is just by that there is wrong, right? This is correct. But this one is the one correct. So you've just got to be very careful, right? Because it looked correct here, it looked correct here, but this was the thing that was going to throw you off, right? But we had to have 8 times 10 here. So let's just check this. And we're correct. There we go. And look at the expression below, represent the expression as a decimal number. Okay, so we're kind of doing the opposite now. So 2 times 10. So we've got 2 times 10 is equal to 20. And now we have 2 times 1 over 10. Well, 1 over 10 is equal to 0.1. So let's just get rid of that. And we know that 2 times 0.1 is 0.2. 9 times 100ths. So 9 times 0.0, and then that's tens, and this is 100. So this tenths, 100ths is equal to 0.09. Okay, and now we've got 4 times 1,000ths. So 4 times 0.001 is equal to 0.001. All right, so we can now basically just go back up. So 1 plus this is 0. So plus 0, 0 is then going to be 0. And then 0 plus 9 plus 0 is 9. And then 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. And then plus the 20, all right, is then going to be 20. So let's just scrub this. So it's going to be 20, right, decimal 2, because we've got 2 tenths. Then we've got 9 100ths, and we've got 4 1,000ths. That's the way you could do it as well. All right, so we've got 20.294. So 20.294. There we go. Which expression is the same as 6.087? So we want 6, whoops, we want 6 decimal 0.87. So we know that this one is going to be 1,000ths times by 7. This one's going to be 100th times by 8. This one is going to be 1 over 10 times by 0. And this one is going to be 6 times by 1. So we've got 6 times by 1, check. 8 times by 100ths, check. 7 times by 1,000ths, check. So at the moment, this one looks good. 6 times by 1, check. 8 times by tenths, no, we've got 0 here, right? So not check. And 6 times 100, yes. Oh, sorry, 6 times 10, no, we've got 6 times 1. So this just is wrong in the beginning. That would be 60. So we now know that this is the correct one here. There we go, done. Awesome, you leveled up 4 out of 4, 400 energy points.